Wednesday, September 11th from 4 to 7 p.m., the Beaverton City Library is hosting a back-to-school night. This event is for students in grades kindergarten through 12th and their families. The event is meant to encourage families to see what the library has to offer to help them have a successful school year. At the event, they'll be able to see live demonstrations of our online resources, take a behind-the-scenes tour of the library, make a craft, and visit our participating organizations, including Tualatin Hills Parks and Recreation District, Oregon State University Extension Service, Early Learning Family Resource Coordinators from Beaverton School District, Autism Society of Oregon, Read to the Dogs Program, Office of Student Access and Completion, and Open Signal. If they visit at least 5 of the tables from our participating organizations, they'll be entered into a raffle drawing for a gift card to Powell's or to Target, and we'll have lots of other things there too. We hope to see you at the back to school night at the Beaverton City Library.